Most people get this wrong. They assume Cardly is just another buy now, pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Cardly has transformed into a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending management tools, all designed to help you control your finances. Here's how Cardly works. First, you can access part of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours, to handle unexpected bills or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments over several weeks with flat, predictable fees rather than high interest rates, making budgeting simpler. Cardly also offers dashboards, reminders, and alerts to track payments and account activity. These features help prevent missed payments and promote responsible financial behavior. The downside: overuse can be expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments may quickly add up, and depending too heavily on Cardly can mask underlying financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Cardly. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with regular income or per repayment habits may pay more than they save. In conclusion, Cardly in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable financial advice.